Good morning, students. Welcome to 6th standard social class. Students, I hope all are safe at home by God's grace. In this class, we are going to revise Geography Unit 1, the Universe and Solar System. Fill in the blanks. The universe was formed after dash explosion, Big Bang. Second one, dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies, light year. Third one, dash is the center of the solar system, sun. Fourth one, the word planet means wanderer. Fifth one, dash planet has many natural satellites, Jupiter. Sixth one, India's first ever mission to the moon is dash, Chandrayaan 1. Seventh question, Earth is inclined by dash degrees, 23 and a half. Eighth one, the equator faces the sun directly on dash and dash, 21st March and 23rd September. Ninth question. At the time of perihelion, the earth is dash to the sun, closest to the sun. Tenth one. The line which divides day and night on the earth surface is dash, terminator line. Next one, children, choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. First question, the movement of the earth on its axis is called A. Revolution, B. Seasons, C. Rotation, D. Circulation. The answer is C. Rotation. Second question, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on A. March 21, B. June 21, C. September 23, D. December 22. The answer is D. December 22. Third question, the galaxy in which our solar system is found is option A. Andromeda, B. Magellanic Clouds, C. Milky Way, D. Star Burst. Answer option C. Milky Way. Next one, fourth question. The only celestial body where man has successfully landed. Option A. Mars. Option B. Moon. Option C. Mercury. Option D. Venus. Answer is option B. Moon. Next one, fifth question. Which of the following planets can float on water? Option A. Jupiter. Option B. Saturn. Option C. Uranus. Option D. Neptune. The correct answer is option B. Saturn. Option B. Saturn. Next one. Circle the odd one out. First question, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. Here, Venus is the odd one. Venus is the odd one. Next one, second question, Sirius, Andromeda, Milky Way, Magellanic Clouds. The answer is Sirius. The answer is Sirius. Next one, third question, Pluto, Aries, Ceres, Io. The answer is Io. Answer is Io. Next one, fourth question. Comet, asteroids, meteoroids, dwarf planets. The answer is dwarf planets. Dwarf planets. Next one, fifth question. Rover, orbiter, aeroplane, space shuttle. Here the answer is aeroplane. The answer is aeroplane. Match the following. First one, hottest planet. Second one, ringed planet. Third one, red planet. Fourth one, somersaulting planet. Fifth one, coldest planet. Opposite sides. A. Mars. B. Neptune. C. Venus. D. Saturn. E. Uranus. Now we are going to match the answers. Hottest planet. First one, hottest planet. For hottest planet, the answer is Venus. Hottest planet, Venus. Okay. Next one, ringed planet. Second one, ringed planet. Answer is Saturn. Ringed planet, Saturn. Third one, red planet. Third one, red planet. For red planet, answer is Mars. Red planet, answer is Mars. Fourth one, somersaulting planet. Somersaulting planet. The answer is E. Uranus. Somersaulting planet, E. Uranus. Fifth one, coldest planet. Coldest planet, option B, Neptune. Option B, Neptune. Next one, children. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. First one, we can read it. First statement, no children, Venus. Venus rotates from east to west. Second one, the Tropic of Cancer faces the sun on June 21. Third one, Mars has rings around it. Now, choose the correct answer using the codes given below. Using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3 statements. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2 only. Now, here the answer is option A. Option A. 1 and 2. What is the statement 1? Venus rotates from east to west. Second statement, the Tropic of Cancer faces the sun on June 21. So these two statements are correct. Okay, next one, consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. Statement 1, Earth is called a watery planet. Earth is called the watery planet. Second one, statement 2, the rotation of the earth causes seasons. Which of the statements is true? Which of the statements are true? Option A, 1 is true, 2 is wrong. B, 1 is wrong, 2 is true. C, both the statements are true. D, statements 1 and 2 are wrong. Here the answer is option A, 1 is true, 2 is wrong. So, here option A is correct answer. Next one, name the following. Name the following. Cluster of stars. Cluster of stars, galaxy. Cluster of stars, you can say galaxy. Second one, the nearest galaxy to the solar system. Magellanic Clouds and Andromeda. Third one, the brightest planet. The brightest planet, Venus. The brightest planet, Venus. Next one, the living sphere. The living sphere, Earth. The living sphere, Earth. Fifth one, the year which has 366 days. Leap year. We can say leap year. Next one, answer in brief. Answer in brief. What is the question, children? Name the inner planets. Name the inner planets. Answer. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These four planets are called inner planets. Next one, second question. Pluto is no longer a planet. Reason out. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union, that is IAU, downgraded the status of Pluto to that of dwarf planet. Second point, the three criteria of the IAU for a full-sized planet are: it is in orbit around the sun, it has sufficient mass to assume nearly a round shape. Next point, it has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Last point, since Pluto is able to meet only the first two of the criteria, it is no more a planet. Third question, what is perihelion? What is perihelion? Perihelion is the Earth's closest position to the Sun. Fourth question, how many times in a year would you find the Sun overhead if you lived on 20° N? N means north latitude. Answer, 2 times. It would be on 21st March and 23rd September. Fifth question, which celestial body shares its orbit with others? Given example. The dwarf planets share their orbits with others. The 5 dwarf planets of the solar system are Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake and Haumea. Give reasons. First question, why is Uranus called the somersaulting planet? The axis of Uranus is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the sun on its sides like a rolling ball. So, Uranus called the somersaulting planet. Second question, the surface of the moon has many craters. Answer, moon has no atmosphere. The surface of the moon is characterized by craters created by the impact of meteors. Next question, the velocity of earth rotation is 0 at poles. First point answer, earth is a sphere. It is widest at equator, becoming increasingly narrow further toward to top and bottom. The velocity of earth rotation varies from 1670 km per hour at equator and to 845 km per hour at 60° N and S. N means north and S means south and 0 at the poles. Next, answer in detail. Answer in detail. First question, distinguish between inner and outer planets. Inner and outer planets. First, inner planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Outer planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Inner planet, they are comparatively smaller in size. Outer planet, they are huge in size. Huge means big or large. Next point, inner planet, they are composed of rocks. The surface of the inner planets has mountains, volcanoes and craters. Outer planets, most of them are made of gas. Inner planet, none of the inner planets have rings orbiting them. Outer planets, all of the outer planets have rings orbiting them. Orbiting them. Second question, what are the effects of rotation and revolution? Effects of rotation. It is spinning movement of the earth on its axis. The time taken by the earth to complete one rotation is called a day. Next point, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. As the earth is spherical in shape, only one half of it is illuminated by the sun at a time. The other half remains dark. The illuminated portion of the earth experiences day, whereas the darkened part of the earth experiences night. Effect of revolution. It is the movement of the earth around the sun on its elliptical path. The earth takes 365 and quarter days to complete one revolution. It revolves around the sun at a speed of 30 km per second. The remaining quarter day is added once in every 4 years in the month of February. The inclination of the earth on its axis and its revolution around the sun cause different seasons. Okay. Next question, children. Explain the characteristics of the various spheres of the earth. The earth is the most suitable planet to support life. It has three major components that we call as the realms of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. There are different spheres. First one, lithosphere, children. Lithosphere, this word is derived from Greek word lithos, which means rocky. So lithosphere means rocky. We can land, we can live. Next one, hydrosphere. Hydro means water in Greek word. Hydrosphere consists of water bodies such as ocean, seas, river, lakes, ice caps. Okay. Next one, atmosphere. The word atmo means in Greek air. Air. We can see different types of gases. So main gases are, or major gases are, nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. Next one, biosphere. The narrow belt of interaction among the lithosphere, the hydrosphere and the atmosphere, where life exists, is known as biosphere. Bio means life. In Greek, it consists of distinct zones. Thank you, children.